What if I told you could eat waffles that are crispy, cheesy, slightly sweet, and still healthy, even diabetes-friendly? No flour overload, no sugar crash, just simple ingredients and a result that tastes too good to be healthy. Today, I'm showing you how to make these golden, crispy cottage cheese waffles that feel like comfort food, but love your body back. These waffles are soft inside, crispy outside, almost like mini pancakes, but better. They're packed with protein from cottage cheese and eggs, naturally low in carbs, and perfect for breakfast, snack, or even dessert. And the best part? You only need a few simple ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Cottage cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Egg whites, liquid part only. Almond flour. Monk fruit sweetener. A little vanilla extract. Optional at the end. Whipped cream, honey drizzle, only if you want extra sweetness or creamy. If you're managing blood sugar, you can skip the honey. These are already delicious on their own. Start by pouring your egg whites into a bowl. Add a small amount of monk fruit sweetener and just a touch of vanilla. Now mix this liquid base first. This helps everything blend smoothly. Next, add your cottage cheese. Then your shredded mozzarella. And finally, the almond flour. Now mix everything together slowly. Watch the texture. It should become creamy, slightly thick, and well combined. Not too runny, not too dry, just smooth and rich. Preheat your waffle maker until it's nice and hot. Here's the secret that takes this recipe to another level. Sprinkle a little mozzarella cheese directly onto the waffle pan first. Yes, on the bottom. This creates that crispy, golden cheese crust that makes these waffles irresistible. Now take small portions of your mixture. Place it gently onto the cheese layer. Don't overfill. These work best as smaller waffles, almost like thick mini pancakes. Then, sprinkle a little more mozzarella cheese on top. Close the waffle maker and let it cook. Let it bake until golden brown. Look at that. Golden, crispy edges, slightly melted cheese. When you touch it, you'll feel that crunch. Soft inside, crispy outside, perfectly balanced. You can enjoy these just like this. Or, if you want a touch of sweetness, drizzle a little honey on top. You can put whipped cream on top too. But But remember, if you're keeping it diabetes-friendly, you can skip the honey completely. They still taste amazing. Wow, you get that slight sweetness from the monk fruit. The richness from the cheese, and that crispy texture makes it feel like a treat. This doesn't taste like healthy food. It tastes like something you'd crave. If you're trying to eat healthier without giving up flavor, this recipe is for you. Let me know in the comments. Would you eat this with honey or keep it fully sugar-free? And if you want more simple, healthy recipes like this, make sure to subscribe and join the family. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Sometimes it's just about simple ingredients made the right way. I'll see you in the next video.